Today, we're comparing two powerful earbuds, the brand new Nothing Ear 3 and the premium Sony WF-1000XM5. One is packed with fresh features like the super mic and long battery life at a lower price, while the other is famous for its world-class sound and noise cancellation. Let's see which one is the better choice for you. So, that's the Nothing Ear 3 versus the Sony WF-1000XM5. If you want the best ANC and sound quality, Sony is still the king. But if you're looking for a lighter design, longer battery, and a lower price, the Nothing Ear 3 is a great value. Which one would you pick? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.